treasure of French cuisine. I like mine with ketchup. You know, I polled very well with a lot of immigrants who like pepper jack. American cheese under Joe Biden, it slipped a little bit. We're gonna make our cheese great again. You know, I've been dealt a lot of bad hands, a lot of bad sandwiches without ketchup. Kind of a loser, just a bit. Walt Disney, what a loser. My cholesterol readings are fantastic. I'll be around. Keep them coming. I didn't say that. What a loser. What a big, big loser. You know, they say I'm a bad guy. Hey, well, I'm not. Abu Baghdad al-Baghdadi. They died like a whimpering dog. It's kind of fun, kind of fun. I win so much. Frankly, it's unbelievable.